right, guys, it is Monday. Hope everyone enjoyed their Labor Day holiday, but we need to all be ready for Thursday, a day where most of the impacts of wind and rain will be here in central North Carolina. But as we go into Monday night, here's the big picture thinking and what I'm sharing with you about the forecast. Dorian is a Cat 4. Yes, it's not a Cat 5, but a Cat 4 is still a major hurricane that could cause a lot of problems. It's stationary, too. It's not moving. And there is a distinct possibility that this storm, the eye of it, will never move over U.S. land. But remember, it's a giant storm and will still have impacts up and down the East Coast, including here. In the next 48 hours, the storm will eventually start to move north. It'll also weaken some, but not all the way. It'll also start to pick up some forward speed, which means by the time it gets to us, it'll be moving fast enough to avoid a disastrous flooding situation here in central North Carolina. I think that's very important. It's not going to be another Matthew. It's not going to be another Florence, but it's not going to be nothing either. This is something that will impact us. Most of the rain will be here Thursday, and it could bring us anywhere from 1 to 4 inches, depending on where you are. The strongest wind will be Thursday and Friday, and that could be 30 to 50 miles per hour. That combination is strong enough to result, again, not in a disaster here, but a lot of impacts, including power outages and some minor flooding. Now, today, it's Labor Day. I hope you got to enjoy it. I know it wasn't pleasant out. It was muggy, and it was warm. Many of us got up to 90. We've got a couple showers east of us. Most of those will stay away, and it'll just be a warm and muggy night. And that's one thing about this storm coming our way. It's a tropical system. It's going to bring us a tropical air mass, and it'll be warm and muggy tonight with just a small chance of rain, otherwise dry. Temperatures falling through the 70s, and as you struggle to get back to work and school tomorrow, back in the swing of things, it'll start off around 70 degrees. Back to the tropical part of this system. It was muggy today with that dew point temperature in the 60s. It's going to get even more humid on Tuesday and Wednesday ahead of this situation. So let's talk about what we have planned Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll walk you hour by hour through the next couple of days. Again, no major impacts those 2 days. Here we are Tuesday morning. We're dry. There's some rain well to our south, not really going to bother us. Tomorrow afternoon, there's only a 10% chance of rain. Again, unrelated to Dorian. Then we get into Tuesday night, not a whole lot going on through the overnight. Now we're at Wednesday, the day before our major impacts. Wednesday morning, we're dry, couple showers offshore, most of them not reaching us, but there is a small chance of some late day showers on Wednesday. It's only a 30% chance. It's nothing significant. Now here we are Wednesday night at 10 o'clock. Here you can see the storm coming at us from the south. The heavy rain starts to arrive Thursday morning. And again, it's Thursday that most of the rain will be here. By the time it's all said and done, here's how we think it'll go down. Remember, the closer you are to the coast, the more rain you have. The farther you are to the west, the drier you are. And there will be some of us who probably don't get any rain from this system. That, too, is a distinct possibility. But here are the rainfall totals: 2 to 4 inches along the I-95 corridor, 1 to 2 inches here in the triangle. So if someone asks you, hey, how much rain are we going to get from this storm? Have you heard? 1 to 4 inches is what you're going to tell them. Just depends on where they are. The storm right now is 511 miles from Wilmington. It was 511 miles an hour ago, and it'll probably be 511 miles in another hour because it's stationary. The latest from the Hurricane Center at 6 o'clock. Remember, we're getting almost hourly updates. It is stationary with 145 mile per hour winds. But it will be on South Carolina's doorstep as a Category 2 hurricane Thursday afternoon. Now, this is the cone of uncertainty. Remember what that is. It means the eye of the storm could be anywhere in this cone during that time period. Now, this is the current cone. That white line is the cone from 11 a.m. this morning. So you see the cone is starting to shrink a little now that we have a little more certainty as we're getting a little closer. But as you can see, Thursday afternoon, the storm could be there. It could be here inland, or it could be farther offshore. And Thursday night, it could be right there. So there's still a lot of uncertainty, but we're starting to get an idea of what exactly we can expect. Here are some of the wind gusts we could see. Look, Thursday morning, winds starting to pick up along the coast. Here we are Thursday afternoon. Our winds start to pick up in central North Carolina. They stay above 30 miles per hour. These are gusts, mind you, into Thursday night and into early Friday morning. By Friday morning, the storm is moving away. The rain is gone Friday here, but we still have breezy conditions. So again, we still have Tuesday and Wednesday to prepare for what's going to be a long day Thursday. It is a CBS 17 alert day because while it will be in the 70s, incredibly humid. It'll also be incredibly wet and windy. That rain departs Friday, but it'll still be windy. Again, power outages and some isolated flooding, guys, is what we're going to be on the lookout for. And then we're back to hopefully normal conditions, normal weather this weekend. It's the first full week of September. Still going to be a little warm this weekend, but we're all concerned about Thursday. Don't listen to the fact that it's weekend. Don't listen to the fact that it may not make landfall. It will still bring us impacts, and we will be here keeping an eye on it with you.